Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself Gardening and Better Living. Today we're actually going to be making some chicken wings in the Big Boss air fryer. So, first thing we need to do is the air fryer needs to preheat. We're going to go to our setting chicken pieces, and you only need to do it for 10 minutes, so we're going to reduce this to 10 minutes at 400 degrees, and we're going to turn the air fryer on, let that start preheating. We got our chicken wings, and first thing we're going to do with our chicken wings, we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of oil. I'm going to get that all over the chicken wings. Okay, a little bit of salt, pepper, and then what I like to do is put a little bit of a dry rub on it. And this, I use the dry smoking rub from Weber. It is good. And we'll get that all over our chicken wings. And it's ready to go. Just gotta wait for it to get preheated now. Alright, it's been preheating for 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and open it now. And in the instruction booklet, it gives you times for different meat products, what rack to put them on. And in the instruction booklet, it talks about doing chicken wings on the lower rack at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Now, one of the reviews, several of the reviews I've watched have stated that the meat cooks a little bit faster on the outside of the racks. So you want to put your thinner meat on the inside, your thicker meat on the outside. And also, for crispier chicken, they say to actually put it on the top rack for the last 5 minutes, rotating it so it actually makes it. So we got the chicken in the Big Boss. We're going to go to chicken pieces. 20 minutes, 400 degrees, and start. We'll flip it at 10 minutes. Okay, so I shot about 2 minutes over what I was going to flip them, but 8 minutes at 400 degrees left. I'm just going to pull these out for you. That's in 12 minutes. So we'll flip these. Take the lever back and just return to heating. But these are looking quite good. They look good. Alright, so 20 minutes is up, and we'll take a look at what we have after 20 minutes. That looks good. Now we're going to cut it open. Okay, and that is completely cooked. No pink, no nothing. So 20 minutes in the air fryer and these look fried. Very good. Thank you for subscribing. Please like and share and have a nice day.